IntelliScientists! Welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. You must have seen a seesaw and also used a pair of tongs, pliers and even visited a supermarket with a shopping cart. But do you know that all these are also simple machines? To be precise, levers. In this video, we are going to learn about the levers through a simple activity. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the Simple Machines Activity Kit. Take out the clay packets and the tweezers from the kit. Let's start with the clay. Open the packet and roll the clay into a ball. Do the same for the other clay packet. Now, let's have a look at the tweezers. When we hold the tweezers like this, we can see that this is the fixed end and these are the two movable ends. Now, hold the tweezers between your fingers and press at the center. The pointed ends move inwards, right? Now, use the tweezers to pick the balls. Now, press and flatten them. We can easily observe that the tweezers transfer the effort that we had applied at the center to this area. It is a type of lever which has this fixed point as the fulcrum. This region where we apply force is the effort and this area where the clay balls are kept is the load. Lever is a simple machine which transfers the force by turning around a fixed point. And since the tweezers have effort in between the fulcrum and the load, it is a class 3 lever. Lever is a simple machine which transfers the force by turning around a fixed point. The tweezers are an example of a class 3 lever as the effort is present in between the fulcrum and the load. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.